People love to buy but hate to be sold.
No rain.
This is Naren, conquering communication with you all. We all do that, right? We love to buy but hate to be sold. And when we're in business interactions, what we gotta stop doing is acting like a typical salesman. Hello, sir. Would you like to buy this shoe? No. If you do that, you'll turn the other person off. What you need to communicate that you're not a salesman, but you're there to educate them and provide them value. Because once they start seeing the value in what you're providing and the education you're doing for them, and leave a choice to them as to if they want to go for it or not, that's a much better approach in the modern world to sell something rather than acting like a typical salesman, because people love to buy but hate to be sold. This is Naren. I'll see you guys in my next video. Much love.